Okay, so we have two chapters today, processor fundamental and assembly language. Both are integrated with each other. Reason being, this chapter relates the sequence of steps that needs to be followed while performing any task done by the CPU, including the control unit and the memory. Along with that, assembly language that would deal with the assembly language or the assembly code to be solved or to be executed in the same sequence given on the sample and the instructions. So first processor fundamental, yes, recorder. Fetch execute cycle, that's required. Basically, uh, when it comes to computer system, there are different parts of computer system that involves their role and performing the task based on the instructions. There are input devices through which we can input commands, not only commands but the data to be input. Then it would be sent to the CPU. CPU has got control unit, arithmetic and logic unit, and the main store. That would further be going to the output devices and the backing storage devices if it needs to be stored permanently. Whatever the command that you send to the CPU, that would go through with the following parts that are written there: control unit, ALU, and main store. These are the three main parts of CPU. Backing store is responsible to permanently store data or the instructions or the commands that are there, including hard disk, USB, or other portable, other permanent devices. Then control unit. Control unit is responsible to decode instructions, not only to decode but send signals to the peripheral devices to execute and activate the command or the output. There are two terms, encoding and decoding. Encoding means to hide the thing, and then decode means to show the actual message. It's same like that, but a simple example that when you chat and send this, it is an emoji that actually represents your smile, that you are happy or you are showing a positive gesture to the sender. So this is encoded version and this is the decoded version of the same message. So this is how encode and decode works. Decoding part would be done by the control unit. Then comes main store. Main store is actually the main memory. You can also call it immediate access store and immediate access memory. You can also call it store instead of the memory. So it is actually, this main memory is divided into equal parts and they are called as locations. These locations are the addressable locations. They have got their own addresses, so that, and these are the identifiable addresses, so that we can easily locate where the instructions has moved or where the data has been stored. When we are dealing with the assembly language, you can easily get an idea about these locations and the addresses of them. Main store actually holds the program or the data. These are the two things that are being stored in the main store. Whatever the program that is being executed, it would definitely come in the main store, whether it is stored on the hard disk or not. That would come to the main store and then further be executed. It would be read and write with a high speed. Then arithmetic and logic unit, this is the part that is responsible for the mathematical calculation, not only mathematical but logical operations as well. There are two registers that are involved in it, accumulator and shift register. You don't go for the shift register because that's not included in the course, but there is an accumulator. This accumulator is responsible to perform the task of a general purpose register. It is written in the document that is received by the British Council that whenever there is a task of general purpose register, that counts the role of accumulator. So that's the general purpose register. Next, this is actually the accumulator that holds data currently being processed by the CPU. For example, if there is any value that needs to be stored temporarily somewhere while the program is being executed, that would be taken up the space of an accumulator. Accumulator will hold that value for some time, either to store any value or to increment any number or to add any number for any task that would be done by the accumulator. Then the shift register. बच्चों थोड़ी देर रुको, अजान हो रही है, then I would continue.